go, boys. See if this thing falls out. Oh, the phone's shaking like hell. Looks like I'm in a whoop section. What's up, boys? Currently snowing out. Not sticking yet, but gonna run up in the 2G and get some driveline bolts for the red truck. Got a little driveline sitting in the Home Depot cart, trying to find bolts for the scene. Alright, boys, let's fire this thing up. A little curious on how she's gonna fire. Holy smokes. Battery voltage too low. Oh my God. Jesus. Let's go ahead and move this thing down here. It's all warmed up, so batteries are back to somewhat charged. It's weird driving this thing now after driving that clapped out 2G all day. Alright, can't get any more hate about having a Bluetooth drive shaft on this thing. You guys happy now? Go take this thing off a jump or something now? Yup. Starting to snow, so finally just got it in. So yeah, it's stretched really good. We need to lengthen it, but yeah, let's go ahead and see how she does. I'm currently sitting on my traction bar, resting against my drive shaft, standing pretty much. Trying to hook this exhaust back up to the stacks. Yeah, it's going really good so far. It's 30 degrees out, freezing my niblets off. You know you got a solid truck when you gotta take a handful of tools to go up to the store. Alright, boys. First try with the front drive shaft in and forever. Gotta wait for traffic to go. Here we go, boys. See if this thing falls out. Oh, the phone's shaking like hell. Shows you how good this thing rides. Ew. Holy smokes. Looks like I'm in a whoop section. Little cold start on my dad's truck here. The rod bearing's going out. Rod bearing's screaming. Fixed itself. She's clapped.
Impressive.